This is MS Vishnu from ECA department. I have a case study on probability and statistics with the application in finance and economics. Now we are going to see about what is statistic. Statistics is the science concerned with the developing and the studying method for collecting, analyzing, interpret and presenting empirical data. Statistics is highly indivisible field. Research in statistics find applicability in the virtual all scientific fields and research questions in the various scientific fields. Motivate the development of new statistical method in theory. In developing methods and studying the theory that underlines the method, statistics drawn on a variety of mathematical and computer tools. Two fundamental ideas in the field statistics are uncertainty and variation. There are many statistics that we encounter in a science in which the outcome is uncertain. In some cases, uncertainty in the outcome in questions is not determined at, while in other cases the uncertainty because although the outcome has been determined already, we are not aware of it. Probability is the mathematical language used to discuss the uncertain events, and probability plays a key role in a statistics. Any measurements or data collections efforts is subject to the number of a source of variation. By this, we mean that if same measurements were repeated, then the answer would likely change. Statistics attempt to understand and control the source of variation in any situation. Mathematical statistics is based on data and focus on a various applications. Statistics is the process of collecting data, evaluating data, and summarizing it into a mathematical form. There are two types of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Mathematical statistics applies a mathematical techniques like a linear algebra, differential equations, mathematical analysis, and theory of probability. Descriptive statistics. The descriptive method, the statistics is used to describe the data collected and summarizing the data and its properties used to measure the central signals and the measure of the displays. Interferential statistics. This method, statistics, is used to draw the conclusive from the data. Interferential statistics requires a statistics test performed on sample, and it's drawn conclusions by identifying the difference between two groups. Test calculated the p-value that is compared with the probability of change alpha equal to 0.05. If the p-value is less than alpha, then it is concluded that the p-value is statistically significant. What is the importance of statistics in real life? Statistics helps to utilize the statistics to gather the informations, examine them, and successfully present the outcomes. Measurements is the significant cycle behind how we make this conclusion in science. Settled on the choice department on information and make a forecast. What is the purpose of statistics? Statistics helps in the better understanding and accurate descriptions. It also helps in proper planning in the statistical study. Finally, statistics uses tables, diagrams, and graph as representing the information in the certain manner. Probability and statistics with the application in finance and economics. Probability and statistics plays a virtual role in every field of human activity. In practical, they are quantitative tools widely used in the areas of economics and finance. Knowledge of modern probability and statistics is essential for the development of economics and finance theories are the testing for their validity through robust analysis of real world data. For example, probability and statistics could help the shape effective monetary and financial policies and development pricing models for the financial assets such as equities, bonds, currencies, and derivative statistics. Important of the developing robust methods of such a empirical analysis have become partially important following the recent global financial crisis in 2008, which has placed economic and finance theory under the spotlight. These are the co-educated by the following as editors: Sarah Bond. This special issues is developed to the advance in the applications of probability and statistics in the areas of economics and finance, bringing together particles state of the art application of probability and statistics techniques in the economic and finance. We hope that the papers published in the special educations with the stimulated further research in areas. The papers published in the special issues collectively make important contributions to a wide range of areas, including contributors which ensure that understanding of the financial and commodity market has the well contributed to the statistics theory, which may open up important evidence of the applied analysis in the further. Their experiments ferment compares the single contributes double actions and two complement market with the different calls actions designs as opening machines. Therefore, finding the indicates that call the actions not only improve the market efficiency and the liquidity at the beginning of the trending day when the compared to stand alone contains double actions, but also causes positive spillover effect on the separate trending. On the other hand, GM Garage presents the parametric. The Lambert V function is used to model of remove have tails from the computer random variables using data transformation approach. Motivated by on the observer, the financial data is frequently characterized by the negative scanons and excess tutorials, the stimulations and applications to S and P 500 log returns in the paper empirically demonstrated the useless of the introduced methodology. Now we are going to see about the extremely important commodity for the global economic commodity, which is the characterized by the increasing risky and violated market. In 2015, focus on the estimating the risk of natural gas profiles using graphite event couple mode. With respect to the purely thermological contributors, C minus W lane at X at all. In 2014, demonstrated that the understability contributes an almost sure central limit theorem for the self-normalized products of some of the particles, some holes under a fairly general growth conditions on the weight sequence and an important statistical result. Finally, CY in and et al. Focus on one of the key topic of the actual science and finance, namely the optical divided problem. Peacefully, they explore the optimal devices problem for economic was cash receive for all the general delivery process with certain positive jumps and arbitrary negative jumps. In this interesting contribution, they present contributions under which the optical divided strategy among all admissible one takes in form of minutes. By this, I conclude my case study. Thank you.